Just like other Adobe applications, there are different workspaces that you can use in Premiere. Premiere has a lot more of them, and you can see right here along the top there are, I don't know, 8 or 9 of them right here. The default one is the editing. It has pretty much what you need. The source panel that has that video that you're working with before it gets to the timeline, the program panel that shows what's on the timeline. We already talked about this in the panel section, so I don't have to explain all this. But you might want a simpler version of that with the assembly workspace. It doesn't have the source window. If you want to do some color work on the videos, make them look different, you can use the color workspace. Effects puts the effects front and center, and so on. You can see when you get to the effects one, the other ones actually disappear, and it's just because there's so much information up here. But you can always go up to Window, Workspaces, and then see them all right here. Okay, you can also create your own and save it as a new workspace, or you can edit the default of these, so change what these do. But really, start with the best one to start with is the editing uh, workspace, and then figure out what works best for you.